Hey everyone, it is me, Giovanni, and I am back in another video where today I am playing Mineplex. Yeah. Okay, and I actually remembered it from the last video. I didn't remember it. So, I have lots of them. I have 8, so I can buy iron leggings. So what do I look like? Okay. And how many is the boots? The boots are 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, one more and 5. Full set. Oh. Okay. Didn't know. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we already got more. Then let's go in here. Let's trade with you, mister. Let's get there. Okay, now. People starting to attack. People got gold? Run. No, I'm gonna die. Oh, I died. Okay, so now where's green team? How come I'm not with, how come sometimes you can be green, but then most of the time you can't? Five, 4, 3, 2, pick 1, okay. Run. Okay, hurry up, run, 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 run. Ouch. 3, 4, 5, I need 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to change it with you, mister. I want that. 6. 1. Oops, couldn't afford that. You know what I could afford? Another pair of that. So, let's go over here. Okay. Whoopsie. Now do I need to capture their cake? Nope, I don't think so. 1, jump, jump, jump. Nice job, guys. But then how do I get through? So our team is team upgrade. Another star. How do you get another star? Now, what else do I need? I need to get an emerald. You need 20 of these. I got 2 nether stars? Okay. Do I not afford that? Wait. Oh, they're coming over here. Guys. Well, at least we have enough people. They made like a little kingdom. Ouch. No, no one's here, right? Okay, good. Take some of these. 17, 18, 19, 20. And what we do is we can go in here. 1 emerald. What do you need for emeralds? They are expensive. 5 emeralds for 1 block of obsidian? That's bad. Still I got 1. That's good. People put anything in the chest? No. That's okay. Hey, hey. Okay, so. So we can only get rid of that. Put that 3, and then 1 here, 1 here. Perfect. I'll steal that back. No, 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 no. No. Come on. Oh, good. But I have to restart everything I did. That's not good. That's just bad. Oh, 11. Okay, that's good enough. They can go better than last time. See if I can do that. So I can get damage sword. I can get front habit. 2 left. Okay, need 1 more. Okay, I got 12. 7. Another 7. What do I have left? 5. Perfect. Did enough for 3. Okay, I did kind of better than last time. If our cake was taken, I'll be so mad right now. Our team is 2 building. Had to get away from that. Well, we need to be stealing stuff instead, too. I mean, it's... Oh! We already lost? The middle? This is hard to walk on. Okay, 20. That's how much I need. Someone's coming. They died. That was easy. Now we go over to their section and steal their cake. Go back to the... Oh, come on. Come on, bro. Try us. Try us. Try us. Ow. Okay, you're trying to try me, huh? Nice job. Me and him are making a team. Wish I had ammo. I got an ammo. Okay, I'm going back home. Now I'm gonna get some 11. Okay, that's good enough. Go in here. We can buy another one of those. Do we have armor? Don't have pants or boots. No, we don't have enough. Got pants. No. 4, 5. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Bum bum. Nice job, all of you. Today I might actually go to the. Okay, never mind. Okay. I'm gonna put that there because I almost fell. Now let's go to. I wanna. Oh. Didn't even see that. Yes. Wait, could I actually go? I can take a shortcut. Okay, let me actually do that to the little layer. So we need to go a couple more. Probably not gonna survive, but I mean, it's the best I could do. Oh no, I ran out of blocks. Go back. Okay. No, no. Lost all my stuff. That's actually okay. If I lost all my stuff, at least, I still have some. Okay, I got another star. That's cool. 4 emeralds. I'm doing good.